creator and influencer ka. Marami din ako nakausap na tulad mo. Sabi nila, Mama girl, bata pa ako. I understand. And that is exactly the point. Habang bata ka pa, habang kumikita ka pa, healthy, habang marami ka pang mga pangarap. This is the right time. Imagine it mo today. Kumikita ka dahil sa content, dahil sa mga brand deals, sa live stream and events. Pero bukas, sure ka ba na hindi magbabago kung ano yung meron ka ngayon? Your income can stop. Pero yung mga bills, tuloy-tuloy lang naman yan eh. Followers will not pay for your hospital bills. Views cannot replace income. Kaya hindi lang yung camera, yung mga gadgets mo, ang kailangan mong protektahan. Ikaw. Ikaw yung pinaka-importante dito. Because you are not just a content creator. You are somebody's child. You are someone's breadwinner. Maybe you're building your own business. Maybe you're building your future. What if ma-pause yung income mo ngayon? Ready ba yung iyong financial backup? It is protecting something good that you are working so hard right now.